Hey there! Welcome back to Nutrinova TV. Feeling overwhelmed and distracted? Do you have a craving for constant hits of social media and snacks? You're not alone. In today's video on Dopamine Detox, I'm going to show you how to break free from those endless dopamine spikes and get your focus back on track. And guess what? It all starts with what you eat. Stick around to learn how the right diet can reset your brain and boost your well-being. Let's dive in. What is dopamine detox? So, what exactly is a dopamine detox? In simple terms, dopamine is a neurotransmitter, a chemical in your brain that plays a key role in how we experience pleasure, motivation, and satisfaction. Whenever you achieve something, whether it's checking off a task, eating something delicious, or getting a like on social media, your brain releases dopamine. This gives you that feel-good sensation. The problem is, we live in a world that constantly bombards us with instant gratification. From endless scrolling on social media and sugar-laden snacks, to binge-watching your favorite shows, we are continually seeking those quick dopamine hits. Over time, this overstimulation trains our brains to crave more of these short-term pleasures, leaving us feeling burned out, unmotivated, and even anxious when we don't get them. This can also lead to unhealthy habits like overeating, compulsive phone use, or procrastination. A dopamine detox is about hitting the reset button for your brain. It involves temporarily stepping away from these instant sources of pleasure, whether it's digital devices, junk food, or other quick fixes, and giving your brain time to recover. The goal isn't to eliminate dopamine entirely, but rather to reduce over-reliance on activities that give you that quick hit, and instead refocus on behaviors and habits that offer long-term satisfaction and balance. This can include things like exercise, reading, spending time outdoors, or mindful eating, which gradually restore a more natural and healthy dopamine response. In short, a dopamine detox is about retraining your brain to appreciate deeper, more fulfilling experiences, those that bring lasting well-being rather than fleeting highs. How a dopamine detox can improve your well-being. So, how does a dopamine detox actually impact your health and well-being? When you reduce your exposure to constant sources of instant gratification, like social media, junk food, or binge-watching TV, something powerful happens. Your brain becomes more sensitive to natural, healthier rewards. This means you'll start feeling more focused, less anxious, and even more in control of your daily habits. You might notice that you're better able to make healthier choices, like selecting more nutritious foods or practicing mindful eating, because your brain isn't constantly seeking that next quick fix. A dopamine detox can help break the cycle of unhealthy habits, whether it's reaching for sugary snacks every time you're stressed or mindlessly eating while glued to your phone or TV. By resetting your brain's reward system, you create space to reconnect with activities that nourish both your mind and body. Things like exercise, hobbies, or spending quality time with loved ones. This reset doesn't just boost mental clarity and focus, it also improves your physical well-being. You may experience higher energy levels, better sleep, and a reduction in that feeling of overwhelm that comes from juggling too much digital stimulation. Ultimately, a dopamine detox helps you take back control of your daily life, leading to a healthier relationship with food, more balanced moods, and a greater sense of overall well-being. Step-by-step guide to a successful dopamine detox. Ready to start your dopamine detox? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you reset your brain and regain control of your focus and well-being. Step 1. Unplug from technology. Take a break from all the instant gratification sources, social media, TV, and any form of digital entertainment. Whether it's for a full day or just a few hours, this break will help reduce the constant dopamine hits that keep your brain overstimulated. Use this time to engage in offline activities that nourish your mind, like reading a good book, going for a nature walk, journaling, or practicing mindfulness. The goal is to allow your brain to rest and reset. Step 2. Swap processed snacks for brain-boosting foods. Instead of reaching for sugary, processed snacks when you're feeling hungry or bored, opt for nutrient-dense foods that support your brain's health. Think nuts, seeds, fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods won't cause the dopamine spikes that sugary treats do, but they'll provide sustained energy and help stabilize your mood throughout the day. Plus, they nourish your brain and body for long-term wellness. Step 3. Practice mindfulness and be present. Slow down and bring your attention back to the present moment. Whether you practice mindful eating, meditate for a few minutes, or take deep breaths between tasks, mindfulness can help retrain your brain to find satisfaction in the little things. This step is key to helping you appreciate more meaningful, long-term rewards rather than seeking constant quick fixes. Step 4. Get moving. Physical activity is a natural way to elevate your mood and improve your focus. Exercise releases endorphins, which make you feel good without overloading your dopamine levels. You don't need an intense workout. Something as simple as a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a short home workout can clear your mind and boost mental clarity. The key is to stay consistent and find an activity you enjoy. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to resetting your brain's dopamine levels, improving your focus, and developing healthier habits that last. The power of nutrition in a dopamine detox. Now, let's dive into something essential for a successful dopamine detox: nutrition. A dopamine detox isn't just about cutting out distractions or reducing instant gratification. It's also about nourishing your brain and body with the right foods to restore balance and boost mental clarity. Did you know that specific nutrients can actually help stabilize dopamine levels and support healthy brain function? Let's take a look at some of the most powerful ones. Omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats, found in foods like fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are crucial for brain health. Omega-3s play a vital role in supporting the structure of brain cells and enhancing communication between neurons. In fact, studies have shown that omega-3s can help regulate dopamine production and improve mood, focus, and cognitive function. So, adding more omega-3 rich foods to your diet can give your brain the fuel it needs to function optimally during a dopamine detox. Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that's often overlooked, but is incredibly important for brain health and dopamine regulation. Foods rich in magnesium, like leafy greens, spinach, kale, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and black beans, can help calm the nervous system, reduce stress, and support the production of dopamine. Magnesium also plays a key role in energy production, which means it can help you feel more energized and focused, especially when you're stepping away from quick dopamine fixes like sugary snacks or social media. B vitamins, especially B6 and B12. B vitamins are essential for brain function and are directly involved in the production of neurotransmitters like dopamine. Foods like eggs, leafy greens, like spinach and kale, legumes, lentils, chickpeas, and whole grains are rich in B vitamins. Specifically, vitamin B6 helps convert amino acids into dopamine, while B12 supports overall brain health and energy metabolism. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help keep your dopamine levels balanced, which is crucial when you're trying to avoid those instant dopamine hits from things like junk food or screen time. Antioxidants, vitamin C and vitamin E. Antioxidants are essential for protecting your brain from oxidative stress, which can occur when there's an overload of stimulation or poor dietary habits. Foods high in antioxidants, such as berries, citrus fruits, broccoli, nuts, and seeds, can help reduce inflammation and support the brain's natural ability to produce and regulate dopamine. Vitamin C, found in foods like oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers, plays a direct role in dopamine synthesis, while vitamin E, found in nuts and seeds, protects brain cells from damage. Tyrosine-rich foods. Tyrosine is an amino acid that acts as a building block for dopamine. Eating foods rich in tyrosine, such as turkey, chicken, tofu, almonds, avocados, and bananas, can help boost your body's natural dopamine production. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you're giving your brain the raw materials it needs to produce dopamine in a healthy, sustained way, without relying on quick fixes. By fueling your body with these nutrient-rich foods, you can stabilize your dopamine levels, improve mental clarity, and feel more balanced throughout the day. These foods provide long-lasting energy and satisfaction, helping you break free from the cycle of instant gratification and take control of your well-being. So, there you have it, your complete guide to a dopamine detox, and how it can transform not only your mental health, but your physical well-being too. By resetting your brain, nourishing your body with the right foods, and breaking away from instant dopamine hits, you can regain focus, reduce stress, and make healthier choices that last. Remember, this journey is all about creating balance and finding joy in long-term, sustainable habits that support your overall health. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve concentration, or simply adopt a more mindful approach to life, a dopamine detox is a powerful first step. Start small, be patient with yourself, and you'll see the benefits over time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button and subscribe for more on nutrition and healthy living. Check out our recommended videos for more great content. Stay healthy with us, and remember, Nutrinova TV, the new age of nutrition is now.